Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create easily professional presentations in Canva. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So first you should open Canva and then go to the home page, and at the home page you can choose the different content types. Go to presentations first, and at the presentation section you will see they have quite a few presentation types. Then for a general presentation, just go to the first one, presentations. And here, to start your presentation, you can either go and select everything. For you can select videos, photos, elements, everything for your presentation, but you can also use the Canva templates, which are very professionally made by designers, and they are quite easy to use. So you don't have to waste a lot of time on creating your presentation. Just choose the template and fill it up with your informations and have a beautiful presentation very easily. Here they have different sections on the left side, so you can choose the one that fits for your presentation. They have recently used tab, which are the presentations that you've already used if you have used them already. There are for you presentations, simple presentations, education presentations if you are a teacher or you want to create a presentation for kids, game presentations, keynote presentations, company presentations, Christmas presentations, love, fandom, pitch deck presentations, startup presentations, sales, listings, finance, technology, visual charts, brainstorm, creative, kids, scrapbooks, marketing, roadmap, events, brands, business, leadership, animated, portfolio, professional. So they have quite a lot of different presentations. As you can see, I can scroll and scroll and scroll, and there are a huge amount of different presentation templates. So when you choose one of these presentations, just tap on it. It's going to open up and show the different tabs in the presentation. So you can check it out like this by tapping on them and see how the presentation looks inside. You can also see how many pages does the presentation have, but it's not that important because you can always add or remove slides from the presentation. Then when you have your presentation template, just tap on apply all, and then it's going to open up the presentation as a template, and then you can just customize it for your needs. As you can see, they look very professional. You can check out all the slides by tapping on them. And then after that, you can edit every single detail of the presentation and fill it up with your data. Here you can type in your title, text. You can even move the elements all around. So if you don't like something or you don't like the color, you can also go and change the color of the design. But I wouldn't recommend changing multiple elements of the design because usually these templates are made by professional designers. So if you are not one, I wouldn't recommend messing it up because they always look very professional. If you just want to create a beautiful presentation for yourself, I would recommend to just fill it up with your data and go with the flow. So as you can see, you can change the numbers, everything. You can move around the data. You can change the pictures. If you want to remove them, you can upload your own pictures. You can change every percentage. But I think these are very useful and also beautiful tools for you to use, and they are very easy to use. As you can see, I can change the numbers in the charts and everything. So this is how you can start using and creating presentations with the Canva app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye.